This video was created for educational purposes and includes significant original text commentary.
Where are you going, you Spitting HK56 FUE. Would you like to tell your boss on YouTube anything for driving like that and spitting at me? That's going to the police.
On higher ground, meanwhile, the old prairie had mostly died back. The lovely waist-high flowers that had once characterized this time of year gone, leaving sparse plains colonized by short grasses. It almost looked like Arctic tundra to Joshua, with the green of pine trees sprouting from clusters of dead oaks and spruce. Even the state tree, the sugar maple, was supposedly extinct here, he'd learned. The world was silent too, the birds stilled. Joshua vaguely wondered what was going on in the lakes, which ought to be clear of ash and human pollutants by now. He guessed the birds would be back. Northern latitude species anyhow. But what about the fish?
You didn't even indicate, bro. You just turned right in.
That after Yellowstone...
Sorry? I just given the indicator. Yeah, you didn't indicate. I have it on my camera. You can check it out. I have a YouTube channel called Bad Drivers New Zealand. You will see on there.
I got that on camera. Let's pull over. Pull over.
Well, this doesn't look too good, does it? Nope. You all good? Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Hey, pull over real fast.
Huh?
Pull over.
Okay.
Yeah, just. Don't hit my bike. Don't hit my bike. You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm on my lunch break. I'm at work at Mill Garden.
Yeah. Well, you fell asleep back there.
I didn't fall asleep. I've been up for a while, but
Yeah.
I'm at work, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm on my lunch break.
You were sitting there for a while. I just wanted to make sure you're all right.
Okay, yeah, I'm cool.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Just move back. No! Oh, you're so accurate, man.
No, you want to get your eyes
No,
cut.
don't
Listen,
come up
young
to me with
man.
aggravation. Do not come up to
You
me with
shouldn't
aggravation.
come down.
Don't
I'm
come
up
up to me
here.
with aggravation.
I come up here before you come in. Now you bloody well go back.
You go back.
No, you go back. Look, I'm in no bloody rush.
I'm in a rush because I've got a sick kid and you're not taking
Will
me
you
into
come?
consideration,
Go
are you?
back.
I've got a sick kid.
I'm not going back.
See that?
No.
And they say be respectful to old people.
Yes, well you want to be. You shouldn't have come. Oh my.
Look, there's 5 cars there. You're the only one. It makes sense. It just makes sense. You're just being ignorant now.
For them to use their brain.
You want 5 cars to go back for you.
Yes.
Yeah, and you're the only one, nothing behind you. Come on, you're being stupid now.
Look,
She is,
I'm
isn't it?
stupid.
I'll help her as well, I said to
Look,
you.
Give him your glasses.
Look,
Give him your glasses.
There's no
Hang
glasses
on,
to give.
hang on.
Excuse me,
Give him
calm
your-
down,
no, you
calm down, lady.
He shouldn't have come
Calm down.
through. Look, 2 cars.
There's 5 cars. There's just you.
Look, I was up here before they come through.
Look at that. What do you do now?
Okay, you were up here, understandable, but take the appropriate.
No,
Turn your car around later. There's no way they're going to go back there.
All of them. This one.
Son of a...
Yeah, man.
You want to see my blinker? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good, because... What? You didn't see me?
You came out of nowhere.
I saw you.
You came out of nowhere.
No, I didn't. I put my blinker on.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I'm sure I did. Did you see my blinker?
I'm stopping.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my. Oh my God.
Wow.
iHeartRadio Podcast Awards. Be there and be a part of history. Hosted by Holly Frey, Bobby Bones, and Charlamagne the God. Don't miss it. Watch the live video stream. Hosted by Mario Lopez. Friday night at 11 Eastern, 8 Pacific on iHeart. Video stream hosted by Mario Lopez.
Traffic Center. If a medical mistake caused you injury, call 1-800-ELK-OHIO. 480 Easter Slope for the Jennings Freeway to the Valley View Bridge. Same thing on the Interbelt between Abbey and Carnegie. Other than that, good to go. Corey Roddick, MMS Traffic.
This report is sponsored by Conrad's Tire Express and Total Car Care. It's Conrad's.
Nothing I hate worse than drunk drivers, man. This dude is swerving. Look, about to go into the other lane. Nah, man. Look at him. Look at him. Man. Oh, my God. Turn it off for a second. Take the keys out. Do all that, man. Bro, put them in your lap. Brother, I'm saving you. I'm saving whoever you trying to hit. I'm saving all that shit, man. You f***ed up right now, dog. Right. You shouldn't be driving, and you know that shit. Right. So you want a DUI or you want to go to jail?
I want to go to jail.
You want to kill somebody? So then chill your ass right here for about 10 minutes, man. We ain't on no bullshit. I ain't no cop. I ain't nothing. I'm trying to save you and whoever else you might mess up. What's up?
On some black man.
On some black man. brother. That's it, man. I'm trying to save you. Don't do this, man.
What we doing?
You chilling. You didn't hit my car, but you almost hit a bunch of cars, man.
Oh, crap.
So chill. Chill right here.
All right. So
I'm serious. We good. We good, man. Walk home.
No,
enjoy your night. Cool. Then we good. Leave your car here. You'll know where it is. It's gonna be safe. Make sure you lock it. Lock it. Lock your car. Walk home and be safe, man. This dude, God.
Where are you going? Damn, lady.
What do you mean? Yeah. What does that mean? I'll knock this guy out. I'll knock this guy. This guy looks old as hell.
Let's not fight. Let's not
This guy looks old as hell.
No, he is old as hell, but he's medium powerful.
What?
Can I ask you what you seem I'm Sean, by the way. I'm Sean. Very nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
What's your favorite dimension you've been to?
From Pimlico in London had been planning to line the plastic weapon with a steel barrel in order to make it capable of live firing. The 26-year-old told officers the components were part of a university project. The LBC Markets report, the FTSE 100 closed down 39 at 74.03. The pound buys $1.25 and €1.12. LBC weather, showers clearing over eastern and southeast England. Some lighter showers continuing in Wales, Scotland.